Hughes, BBC News.
A 21-year-old man has been found guilty at Nottingham Crown Court of attempting to murder a Muslim woman by running her over. Paul Moore from Leicester targeted Zainab Hussain because she was wearing a hijab. He was also convicted of seriously injuring a 12-year-old Muslim girl. Dominic Casciani reports.
Paul Moore, convicted today of a racially motivated attempted murder. His victim, a Somali mother from Leicester, Zainab Hussain. He didn't know her, he picked her at random. Last September, after a night of heavy drinking, he told friends he wanted to run someone over. And in the early morning, as parents took their children to school, he drove around Leicester looking for a target. And it was here that Paul Moore found his victim. Zainab Hussain was walking home after dropping her two youngest children at school. And as she reached this spot, Moore came round this corner at speed and slammed into her. She smashed into this wall, and when she hit the ground, her head was bleeding and her limbs were broken. As she struggled and cried for help, Moore drove off, did a U-turn and came back. And this time he went over her with all four wheels. Paul Moore drove off and minutes later tried to hit a 12-year-old Muslim schoolgirl, identifiable by her headscarf. He clipped her side and sent her school bag flying. Today he's been found guilty of that second attack as well. The jury at Nottingham Crown Court heard Mrs Hussain, a mother of 9, has been left with life-changing injuries. Her husband, seen here on the right, says she's confined to bed and needs more surgery. After the attack, Moore told a relative he'd deliberately run the woman over because of terrorism in London. He'd done it for his country, and he was proud. Dominic Casciani, BBC News at Nottingham Crown.
It's been announced that more than 2,000 members of the public will be invited